Today, I'll walk you through how to connect Gmail or Outlook to Salesforce, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to integrate your email with Salesforce so you can streamline your communication and enhance your productivity. To get started, open Salesforce and navigate to the Contacts tab. This is where you'll manage all your important connections. Once you're in the Contacts section, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will make the next steps easier. Next, look for the Import button at the top of the page. Clicking this will launch the Import Wizard, which is your guide for connecting your email account to Salesforce. Think of it as a friendly assistant helping you through the integration process. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps will still be similar. Now you'll need to select the integration type. Choose either Sync with Google for Gmail or Sync with Microsoft for Outlook, and then click Next. This choice is crucial as it determines how your email will interact with Salesforce, like choosing the right tool for a specific job. After that, you'll select your email provider. If you're using Gmail, click on Google. If you're using Outlook, click on Microsoft. Once you've made your selection, click Next to proceed. This step is like picking the right vehicle for your journey. It ensures you're on the right track. Now it's time to configure your sync settings. Here, you can choose which items to sync, such as emails, contacts, or calendar events. Additionally, set your team visibility preferences for the synced activities. This is important because it determines who in your organization can see the information. Think of it as setting the rules for a team project. Once you've configured your settings, it's time to authorize your account. Click on Connect Account and complete the sign-in prompt that appears. This step is essential for granting Salesforce permission to access your email data, like giving a trusted colleague access to your workspace. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Gmail or Outlook to Salesforce. This integration will help you manage your communications more effectively and keep your contacts organized. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.